Hello, I am Dr. Pinky Goyal. I am a senior consultant pulmonologist at Vedanta Hospital, Gurgaon. Cold weather always tends to increase underlying respiratory problem, especially for the children who have underlying asthma or bronchitis. When the cold air is inhaled by a child, that cold air can increase the sensitivity of our respiratory air tubes, which may tend to increase the mucus production. The children with asthma can have exacerbation of the underlying asthma symptoms, like the cough may increase, the quantity of sputum may increase, the color of the sputum may change from white to green or yellow. The children may experience infection and they may also experience breathlessness. If the symptoms worsens and if not treated on time, children may even develop cyanosis. So the symptoms, they increase in winter because asthma, it is a disease which has a variation during the season change. So whenever the season changes, the respiratory allergens in the air, they change. So these allergens, they react with the linings in our air tubes, which leads to increase in symptoms and worsening of our asthma. So the most important thing for prevention of asthma during winters is, first and the most important thing is prevention of cold. And how can they prevent the cold? Keeping the children indoors, especially when there is foggy atmosphere. Children can go out to play only when there is sun up in the air. Cover the child properly with proper woolen clothings. As soon as the symptoms worsens or starts worsening, visit your pediatrician or your doctor as early as possible, and proper annually flu vaccination is also said to reduce the number of exacerbations, and the severity of the exacerbations are also reduced. For the asthma, the most important treatment are the inhalers. One thing which we need to understand is asthma is the disease of our air tubes, and inhalers are the only medicine which goes to our air tubes where the disease process is mainly occurring. So the advice would be, do not run away from the inhalers, because inhalers are the only few medicines which are targeted for the specific disease.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content on health and lifestyle.